today in our basket project, we're all going to be making this basket, a small basket. I encourage you today to like lift the bird nest. My goal is everyone will complete this basket today, and then you don't go home until your basket's done. This long. This is the length that we're going for. So you're going to make 6 sticks that are cut this length, and then you poke this in away from your gorgeous fingers, and then open it up. And then you take one of these sticks and then you slide it through.
It's going to look wild regardless because it's dogwood. And that's beautiful.
Creation and simplicity. Oh, just like a chill. Just being able to create something from nothing, right? It's just like a magical dream for me.
So the dogwood grows, and that's expansion. And then we harvest the dogwood, we let it dry, that's the contraction. And then we leave the basket with dogwood, and that's expansion again. And then when it's done its work and you want to let it go, that's the contraction. And you put it in the fire, just like Julie.
That's the toy.
The in and out, or out and in.
I see that.
Just like what you're weaving right now. Up and down, in and out. Yeah, you know, the salsa dance. Just like the weaving.
I don't know if the dogwood will want to bend as much.
Yeah, where's my yellow? I'm so sorry.
Part of the basket.
The foundation and base is key.
Yeah, we all be helpers. I love it. There. And then you can slide that in here. Yes. And then you can just keep going.
So you take the leftmost and go behind.
It's a wild one. Oh, Gaia loves sacred geometry. So the flower of life is 6 circles within this. Well, it starts with the 1 circle, and then we create 6 circles around that 1 circle. So it ends up with 7. So the 6 sticks creates one big basket, which is the 7th stick I hear. That holds it all together. Yeah.
Ah, that makes more sense. I want to use it for foraging. Mushroom season is upon us, and I'm really excited. Every year is a new adventure.
Like that. And then similar height. Say the basket would be about this high. And then to bend that over. You get an idea? How close as you like. Some people like to have it sticking out and poking. It's like everybody has. It's like your personality. Now you tuck it behind here, just a tiny bit, in front of 1, 2, and then it goes behind 1. You're pushing it, and it's pressed down. So there's 1 coming out of here, 1 coming out of here, and 3-rod whale.
Actually, like, it's so perfect being imperfect. And it feels like I'm weaving fire. That's what it feels like. The
women before me, the women here today. You know, this is like what I feel. We're weaving our stories, weaving our threads of emotion into each one. Yeah, it's pretty deep.
Yeah.
Nice. Slowly, yeah.
It's actually forming.
Isn't it so satisfying?
So satisfying.
I love it. Yeah.
It's so much fun! Fire break.
Going through a new transition of my life, and I feel like this kind of is the weaving of that next chapter. I mean, like the release of what my past like couple years have been, and it's like a weaving of that to prepare for the future, and a reminder that I can weave my own life. So.
You rebel, you rebel.
Oh, I know.
Oh, look, the sky is blue.
Yay!
Red being a very symbolic color, it's our root chakra, and my work with women in pregnancy and birth, just symbolically, it just means so much to me to have created this basket, which represents my service to women and their families, celebrating life and birth. I birthed this basket this weekend.
That's my basket.